Hello everyone, my name is Radhika. I have completed my graduation in 2020 in a BCA. After that, I have a work experience for 2.5 years in a network engineer. But I have joined Qspider where I got to learn my manual testings, SQL, Java. On the basis of that, Qspider given me the opportunity to attend the interview in Dhwani RIS in which I got selected, and I have joined there on 15th of November, and my package is 5 LPA. So I'm here to thank all my faculties and trainers to support me and to crack the interview. Presentation and mock interviews helped me a lot. So I'm here to thank all Q Spider faculties as well as trainers. Thank you so much.